If you want a reminder system directly in your private messages on Discord, then you're in the right video. Welcome to the JohnBot channel. On this channel, we teach you how to use JohnBot perfectly. Today, as you've guessed, we're going to learn how to schedule a reminder message that will be sent to you in DM. So for that, you'll need to add JohnBot either to your Discord server or to your profile. To add it to your profile, you just need to add the application and include it in My Applications. You authorize. And then you can just go to JohnBot's profile and head over to the private messages. You can type /reminder and you'll get the options. You can then create one, which is what we're interested in. There you enter the message, making the video about reminders for JohnBot. You choose how long until the reminder is sent to you. In 1 hour, you send it. And there, JohnBot will confirm the reminder for you. And in 1 hour, you'll get a message from JohnBot reminding you to make the video. You can see the list. From the ongoing reminders, you can see that I have the reminder I just scheduled as well as a reminder that will come on November 9th. You can then delete a reminder if you no longer need it by using its title. It's removed. So in an hour, I will indeed have a message from JohnBot. I hope this short video was helpful to you. If so, feel free to like it and subscribe. See you soon.